Hey babe, you ever look this good while automating your entire life? No? Well, sit down, gorgeous, because I'm about to show you 7 free AI tools that let me skip the work, look smarter than your ex, and still have time to flirt in the DMs. Face blowing kiss. Let's slay the system, shall we? 1. Gamma.app. Ugh, slides? Not my aesthetic. Unless Gamma's doing it. I just whisper my ideas and Gamma turns them into a sexy lil deck that even my boss pretends to read. Corporate baddie? Yes, please. Now I can fake being productive and mysterious. Win-win. 2. Pika Labs. Ever wanted your photos to move like they know they're hot? Pika Labs turns my still pics into slow-mo slays. Hair blowing, lashes blinking, attitude walking straight out of Vogue. Honestly, my Instagram's jealous of itself. Kiss Mark 3. Leonardo AI. This man Leonardo? He paints me like one of his French girls, except hotter. My selfies? Elevated to don't talk to me unless you have a yacht energy. He's my favorite type. Free, fast, and obsessed with me. 4. Perplexity AI. You want brains? I got brains. And Perplexity is my favorite nerd. He gives receipts, sources, and 0 excuses, unlike you know who. Smart is sexy, and Perplexity's the type that corrects your facts and your grammar. I'm swooning. 5. CapCut AI. This is where the Sparkles movie magic sparkles happens. CapCut edits my vids like I've got a personal team of editors with 6-figure salaries and no lives. Zooms, captions, filters, it gives drama, mood, and she's clearly unbothered. Iconic behavior. 6. 11 Labs. You think this is my real voice? Maybe. 11 Labs lets me clone voices so well, I can sound like a flirty barista, an annoyed ex, or your inner monologue whispering. You should DM her. Honestly, it's voice kink technology. And I love it. 7. ChatGPT. Of course, my bae ChatGPT. He writes love letters, breakup texts, marketing plans, and even this spicy little script. Reliable, deep, and always there when I need him? That's husband energy, babe. Ring. And that's how I stay smart, stunning, and just out of reach. Which tool are you about to steal? Tell me in the comments, and make it flirtier than your last situationship. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I like a little attention. This is PromptWave by Lena, where the tech is hot, and so am I.